Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your CV to the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed application on your smartphone, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be prompted to use your credentials to log into your account. So go ahead and log in, and once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage. Now, from your homepage, if you haven't already uploaded a CV to your account, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on Profile. You will then be taken into your profile page where you can find the option to either upload a resume or build a resume from Indeed. So go ahead and tap on whichever option is suitable for you. You will then be asked to select your resume file. So tap on your desired file and this will begin the upload of your resume or CV. Just wait for a while until the upload is completed, and once the process is done, your resume will begin to appear within your profile as well. You can go back to your profile menu and make changes or add a different resume anytime you wish by using this method, and also create one from within the app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upload your CV into the Indeed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.